follow Bag O' Day Crochet. And through Bag O' Day Crochet, I have followed some other ladies. And there's this one particular lovely crafting queen who goes by the name of Armchair Chef. And she's been doing a monthly challenge. So it's crocheting challenge. What she does is every month she starts a video letting people know that the monthly challenge is starting. If you'd like to be a part of it, just email her. I've been just crocheting and knitting a lot. Like, yeah. People who are allergic to cats and animals, they have their own little group. And then there's everyone else who has a cat, a dog, who is not allergic or doesn't have any health issues towards them. Well, they're another group. So she does like a bingo type and then mixes everybody together. So I was honored to send Jolie a package. And I thought, so I didn't pay attention, but I thought Jolie would be sending me a package. So I thought it was us. But no, it's all mixed. I got someone by the last name Pearson, P-I-E-R-S-O-N, Pearson. So excited. So this is my first one. So the rules were, you could send up to 5 colors. No more than 5 colors, no less than 3 colors. But you can send whatever amount of yarn of those colors you want. And so this is the package. And I'm going to open it up. And let's see what we got. Ooh, that was pretty. Okay, I'm seeing like Little Mermaid type of stuff. Yes. The rules are one of the projects have to have all the colors that were sent to you involved in the project. But you can make more than one project. There's no rule against that. Now, you don't have to use all of the yarn. So that's where it gets a little easier. So it's like you have all these colors and they might not go, but you don't have to use all the yarn. So you could add just a little one for a trim or just for a little, you know, color, like, you know, like you could just hook it up. That's what I'm trying to say. So I got this cool red heart roll with it tweed. Oh, I love tweed. I got this cute tweed. And look at that. It's gorgeous. So it's a 4-way. Time to get the glasses on. Let me see. Oh, the color is called Marine / Marina. Lot $5.99. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, so this is one. Oh, baby Econo, and this is also from Red Heart, and it's soft white. It is acrylic. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's soft white. Nice. Okay. Oh, I got some goodies. What? Oh, Bernat baby coordinates. Look at this. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, so it's all, this was a 4-weight also. This is a light 3-weight. It is acrylic. Let me see. Yes. Okay, and it's called soft glue. Let's see something. Oh, sage. I call this sage green. So it's also Red Heart. So we have like a little Red Heart Bernat thing going on here. It's a 4-ply worsted weight. And the color is light sage. Ah, I know my colors. But this is a lot right here. That's nice. Oh, and look, I got a goodie. Look. Oh, I got a tote. I know the lighting. I know this is weird lighting because you're in my background. Look, I'm caking up my yarns. I bought a little yarn winder from Amazon, and I've been caking up yarn like crazy. This is, oh, I think this is handmade. This should be handmade. I think this is handmade. If you made this, Pearson, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's so beautiful. Maybe this will help inspire me. Okay, I got a note. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So I got 4 yarns. 4 different colors. I got this beautiful tote. And it's like a gorgeous green inside. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, this is too cute. Look at this ostrich. This is too cute. I got a little card with an ostrich in it. Okay, the card I sent to Jolie, I'm sorry, Jolie, was an index card. I'm going to get better with the cards. I do have cards. I do. I've been hoarding them. No, I got to stop. Xinia, hope you enjoy your yarn and the game. Best of luck, Teresa. Awesome. And they do choose a winner. I'm not too sure how they choose the winner, if other people are allowed to send in votes, or if it's chosen by the host, Armchair Chef, Lori. But I'm excited to figure out what we're going to do. I already see that there is blue in here. It's not baby blue, but there is blue in here. And here's a sage green. And then we have the white and the blue. And they're different textures. This one has, you see the sparkles? This one has a light sparkling. And this one is, I forgot the name of this. I know it starts with a B. If anyone wants to, sound out below on the comment section, what is this? I know it starts with a B, but I don't want to say the wrong word. I mean, I'm a yarny as far as crocheting since, I'm 50 years old. I've been crocheting since I was 10. I learned to knit 20 years ago from a friend. And so I've just watched video. I don't know how to pattern read. I watch videos, I look at pictures, and if I like it, I copy it. Yeah. Oh, I love a cake. I love a cake. It's just my thing. I love cake. Cake. These colors are amazing. What is a girl gonna make? Oh, if you have any suggestions where you see all of these, if you see all of these happening in a certain project, let a girl know. Comment down below. Thank you so much, Lori, Armchair Chef. Her link will be down below, for allowing me to be part of your crew, the monthly mystery yarn crew. And I am excited and I can't wait. So we're supposed to send a video or pictures by April 15th. And I am excited. A video or pictures by April 15th. What's a girl to do?